Okay, molweni. Mina Ndongthando, Festival Director eQuickney Culture Festival and founder of FAPS 87. Nge-27 and 28 February, there's something big is happening on our streets up at Quickney. On corner Caxton and Benz, we'll be having the Quickney Culture Festival, the first of its kind and the first of many. There's Lindeleke Ngalamini, big artists, the likes of Andile Yenana, the likes of Bongeziwe Mabandla, the likes of Jabulile Majola, Mishi Cooper, Dumza Maswana, Sakile Simani, one of ours. It's going to be happening, it's going to be big, but most importantly, it'll be local economic development opportunities. We're expecting over 20 stalls selling anything from food to fashion to artisan products. So looking forward, man, let's join it. Tickets are available on Copy Tickets. Elibet 2 already. Ticket like 350, 300 Rand up until the 31st of January. If you're missing out on that, you're paying full price. Bakona again, no VIP, no VVIP, but young Indos Ibona go Copy Ticket. Please also follow us on our social media pages. Quickney Culture Fest on Facebook, on Insta, on TikTok. Thank you very much. Ngibona ku festival.